Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open applications on macOS using the terminal, a fast and powerful way to launch your favorite apps. Let's get started. First, open Spotlight Search by clicking the magnifying glass in the top right corner of your screen. Type Terminal, then hit Enter to launch the Terminal app. Now, let's say you want to open Safari. In the terminal, type the following command, open-a Safari. This command is case sensitive, so be sure to capitalize the app name exactly as it appears. Press Enter, and Safari will open right away. If you want to open an app with a space in its name, like Google Chrome, you'll need to use quotation marks. For example, type open-a quote, Google Chrome quote, then press Enter, and Google Chrome will launch. And that's it. It's a simple, fast way to open any application directly from your terminal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.